Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the settings. To do that, simply tap on this three bars icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the second bar is connected with the timer. So in this device we've got three options: off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option which you'd like to use. It will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, in the camera, right here in the shutter button, we've got also the countdown applied, so we can always check whether we've got it set or not. So now all you have to do is to simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, and now in order to turn it off we have to tap on this three bars icon also and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. However, as you probably saw, we also had an additional countdown. It is because we've got the NyLite applied. So just tap on this icon here, and now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.